particle has initial velocity 3 I cap plus 4 j cap and has acceleration 0.4 I cap plus 0.3 j cap. Its speed after 10 seconds is. Initial velocity vector u is 3 I cap plus 4 j cap and acceleration is 0.4 I cap plus 0.3 j cap. After t seconds, v will be u plus a into t. E vector will be 3 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 4.4 I cap plus 0.3 j cap into 10. 3 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 4 I cap plus 3 j cap 7 I cap plus 7 j cap. तो स्पीड होगी मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ v 7 का स्क्वायर प्लस 7 का स्क्वायर अंडर रूट 7√2 units. This B is correct option. Next, 6 vector A through F have the magnitude and the directions indicated in the figure. Which of the following statement is true? F vector is like this, F vector. B प्लस C को अगर हम ऐड करेंगे, अगर हम A को लें, B वेक्टर प्लस C वेक्टर, B is downward and C is like this. The resultant will be this much and this is not equal to F vector. B D plus C vector, D vector is upward and C vector is left to right. So resultant will be like this and this will also not equal to F vector. D plus E, D vector plus E vector, D vector is upward and E vector is right to left and this is equal to F vector and C is correct option. Next, the speed of a projectile at its maximum height is half of its initial speed. The angle of projection is. Projectile angle of projection is theta. This is u. ये एंगल ऑफ प्रोजेक्शन थीटा, इसका हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट इज u cos थीटा. हाईएस्ट पॉइंट पर जो स्पीड होगी दैट विल बी इक्वल टू u cos थीटा. The maximum height half of its initial speed. The u cos theta is equal to half of initial speed, or cos theta is equal to half, or cos 60 degree, theta is 60. Angle of projection is 60 degree. A is correct option.